Announcement. We, we are pleased to announce that the winner of our fall sales contest is Jandu. Congratulations, Jan. Jan was successful in securing 15 new clients in the month of November, which breaks the record held by John Doe since last January. Her achievements her achievement is particularly impressive since it happened happened in a month that is generally considered slow, showing once again that it can be done. For her outstanding, she will receive a trip for two to Honolulu, Hawaii. We wish her and her husband bon voyage. Our next contest, our next contest begins in January. Get ready, the next winner may be you.